So how is Tesla doing over the past 1 month, right? Even though we have seen weakness in the entire market, right, due to talks about inflationary pressures and interest rate hikes and all that. How is Tesla doing? Are we seeing weakness? What are some of the targets? Are the targets raised or could it be lowered and all that? Hey guys, Joey here, top tier MyZell and trader in Philip Security. So in this video, I will be doing a quick analysis on Tesla. I think all of you know Tesla, one of those leaders in the entire EV electric vehicle space, one of my favorite companies as well in terms of the uptrend, very strong, good uptrend forming, and that's where whenever it hits to any of those good areas of value, you can think about loading up or getting in on dips as well, right? So if you're interested to know how is Tesla doing, what are some of the key levels whereby you can position yourselves for entry, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I think you're going to like what I got for you. So this is Tesla right here trading about $1,068, right? $1,068. So just a couple of months back, I did a video on it. I mentioned about it really being like a very strong uptrending counter. You can see we can draw what we call an upward sloping channel support line. Prices have been holding above this line since like last year. All right, very strong. All right, of course we see a little bit of profit taking somewhere in the beginning of the year. February came down, but then all right, we started to see higher lows again, and the longer term moving average started to turn up as well somewhere around here in August, September. You can see that's where the moving average all started to turn up. All right, and we broke this level. So this was a key level that I talked about, which would be the 900 level, right? $900 level, which would be pretty much the support level for now, right? The key support level, resistance, turn support. But it seems like over the past like 2 weeks to a month, all right, we haven't really headed to the 900, right? You kind of like headed to near it, and buyers came out and defended, and it pushes prices back up, right? So what would be kind of like the support level for now? I would say 900 to that 1,000. 1,000 seems like a much stronger support already. It's a psychological level as well. So we can see we broke the 1,000, headed to around the 1,200. And over the past 1 month, I would say somewhere around the 1 month, more than a month actually, right? We have been consolidating in this range right here from 1,000 all the way to around that 1,200 level. That is pretty much the range for now. And yeah, as I say, right, this 1,000 we have rebounded for about 1, 2, 3, 4 times already, and I would say that just like few days back, about 2 days back, you can see that this was quite a good bullish reversal candle right here, like what we saw over here as well. You can see we got this candle here, something like a doji. We saw the reversal happen as it breaks the high of this candle day. All right, and same thing here, right? We saw like something like what we call a doji or like a hammer, whereby we have a long lower shadow, and buyers pretty much coming out at the day end, all right, to push prices all the way back up, right? So you can see, right, somewhere in the middle of the day or in the morning, all right, we actually went to 980, 970 and it went down. So it was actually like a red candle. If you look at it at at 10 a.m. or in the morning, it was actually like a red candle below the 1,000 level. So that's not a good thing, but all right, buyers actually came out at the day end, right? They come buy up. And eventually, all right, not only did we go above that 1,000 level, right, we actually close above this level. We close about 1,009, right, 1,009 after hitting a low on this day of about 950. So we went to about 950, all right. Sellers thought that they were getting control of this stock and pushing prices down, but buyers take it all the way back up, not even above that 1,000, but we close at 1,009, which is above that 1,000 level. So that's a good sign whereby buyers are pretty much ready to defend this level. All right, from 1,000, maybe if you can give it a little bit of leeway, 1,000 to maybe around 950. That is pretty much the support range, the areas of value whereby we have rebounded about 1, 2, 3, 4 times already, right? So what would be the upside target? Same thing, right? As I say, the upside targets could be all the way back to the 1,200 level, right? 1,200, maybe about a bit of resistance, maybe about 1,001. I think that's where we can see a little bit of resistance, maybe a bit of profit taking. But if we get past that level as well, all right, all the way back up to that 1,200, whereby some selling can actually come back again, right? So why 1,002, right? Look at this, right? We've got the same thing, right? Same thing here. as we approach this 1,200 levels, we saw a couple of candles right here whereby there was some reversal signs. That means sellers are actually coming back there, right? The 1,002, right? Look at this, right? Same thing here, a long upper shadow, right? Prices were pushed down. Same thing here as well. Look at this. This was on like the 22nd of November. We touched that 1,002. Prices were pushed down as well, and we closed somewhere in the center. So when we saw this, you can see that's where the reversal actually started all the way to like that 1,000 level, and then now we saw this, it might be making its way back up again before some profit taking happening around the 1,002, right? So this is Tesla, right? One of those stocks that I think you can put in and watch it as well, right? For in terms of the longer term, or in terms of the short term, we might see some consolidation, but for the longer term, one of those really good strong uptrending counters whereby the uptrend really looks intact, all right, and if we break that 1,002 to 1,003 level, I think that's where we might see the next push up, right? Whereby targets can be revised higher to maybe 1,005, 1,003, all right? But this is the short-term range for now as we consolidate, which is healthy as well, right? As we consolidate in this range from like 1,000 to 1,002, it can be a good opportunity to kind of like load up, to position ourselves to get in, to wait for the next phase of the upside, right? So this is Tesla right here. So let's take a look at Tesla again on my 1GT, right? One good trend system that I have to kind of like alerts us to counters like this, and also guides us on entry and exit, right? So this is Tesla here on the 1GT system. I'll not go too far, but I would say somewhere around here, maybe around in July, as I say, that's where we started to see a bit of strength coming back as it consolidates higher after the sell down, and we have a couple of good bullish entry and exit signal. Entry, exit as it consolidates slightly higher, but I think somewhere around here, this was one of the good move as we broke that $700 level right here on the 24th of September. We got a good bullish entry signal. You can see started to push up all the way from like 750, all the way to around the 1150, right? Very near the 1,002, and then we saw an exit signal, right? So yeah, over the past like 1 month, we saw a couple of like entry and exit signal as it consolidates. So nothing much, we got entry, exit signal, so as it consolidates, but right now there are no new bullish signals. So yeah, we'll see, right? We'll see. I think probably, as I say, if we consolidate in this range above the 1,000 to 950 level, I think that is where buyers that can start to come back again, all right? And that's where you can time your entry. But if we do see like a new bullish signal, it could be a good indication whereby more upside can actually happen. And of course, if we break that 1,002 to 1,003, I think that's where we can push higher before like an exit signal can come out, right? So this is Tesla here on my 1GT system, a really good move up from September all the way to November, but over the past 1 month, we are back to some consolidation, which I say it can be healthy as well. We don't want to see prices just pushing up every single day or every week, right? We want to see some consolidation as we find some good support again before it's consolidated, before attempting to push higher. I think that's more healthy for this uptrending counter. Alright, so this is Tesla, guys, and we have come to the end of this video. I hope you now have a clearer picture on what are some of the new levels that have formed out over the past 1 or 2 weeks, or some of the new good bullish candles that have came out as well, as I talked about it, right? So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, go ahead to give me a thumbs up or a like. It will definitely help out the channel, and thank you so much for doing it as well. And of course, smash the subscribe button if you have not yet done so, so that you will not miss out on any videos like this, right? So let me know in the comments as well. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on Tesla? Is this one of those stocks that you want to put it in your watch list as well for the longer term? What are your thoughts in terms of the fundamentals as well? Let me know in the comments below. And this is Joey here. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to see you in the next video, whereby we'll take a look at Tesla again to see how we play out.